Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off calendar trash bin on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key at the top, and from the pop-up menu tap on the settings icon. In calendar settings, go down and tap on trash. Toggle button to turn off. Now if you turn it off, it asks you that do you want to turn off all the events in the trash will be deleted. If you are sure, tap on the turn off button, and that will allow you to turn off the trash bin in calendar. Otherwise, you can switch it on. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar view, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.